Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to convert your text to speech by using Clipchamp for absolutely free. So let's get started. So for those who don't know what is Clipchamp, Clipchamp is a free video editing tool and it's available in the Microsoft Store. If you go to store and search for Clipchamp, you'll be getting this. You need to install. If you don't have, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. And once you open Clipchamp, you'll be having this interface, and here we are having an option called as text to speech. We can just click on try it. So here again click text to speech. We'll be getting an interface like this over here. Here we are having multiple options. One is to change the language. It supports more than 80 languages. In case if you want to choose any other language other than English, you can choose it from here. And here we are having the voices, like both male and female voices preview. And apart from that, in the advanced tone, we are having the pace at which your voice wants to speak. It can be like 2x or 0.5x. And we are having the vocal pitch, which is like default, low, high and medium. You can just play around with this. So now let's see some sample voices. So I will just go and click this voice and just play it.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So this is one voice, and near the voice we are having the tone itself. Like as you can see, we are having confident, casual and warm. So you can just basically select based upon the mood that you want to create the voice. So I'll just go with another one.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Okay, so that's good. So once after selecting the language and voice, just paste your text over here. So this is going to be my text, and if you want to convert this, just click on preview.
Hey there, I'm testing this text-to-speech engine to hear how it sounds. Can you clearly understand every word I'm saying? Let's try a little excitement.
So if you feel this voice is like too slow, you can just go to advanced and increase the pace like this. After increasing, you can just click on preview again.
Hey there, I'm testing this text-to-speech engine to hear how it sounds. Can you clearly understand every word I'm saying?
Okay, that's so good. Like I really like this, and you can even like change the voice to some other thing and try it out. So once you are done and once you like the preview, you can just click on save, and that voice as an audio file will be coming directly over here. So now if I play it,
hey there, I'm testing this text-to-speech engine to hear how it sounds.
so it comes here, and if you want to add it over a video, you can just import your media directly over here and use this voice. But what if you wanted to like use this audio file somewhere else? So to export the audio alone, what we can do is first just export along with the video. So now if we click on export, we will be getting a blank video like this. So let's just go and do that. Okay, now the video has been exported. Let's just go to home and create a new video, and this is the video that has been exported. So as you can see, it's just going to be a blank one,
this text-to-speech engine to hear how,
but we are having our audio over here. So now what you can do is again open a empty project, import media and select the video that you exported recently and select open, drag it, and now right click audio and detach. This basically exports the audio alone, and the audio will be getting downloaded as a separate file. So this is the audio file now, so I can just go and play with media player.
hey there, I'm
So
testing this text-to-speech
just the
engine
audio
to hear
file,
how it sounds. Can you clearly understand?
So that's basically how you export the audio alone also. I hope you have found it useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.